Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The 2025 Jeep Gladiator seamlessly merges Jeep's legendary off-road prowess with the utility of a mid-size pickup truck, offering both rugged performance and modern amenities. Exterior design. The Gladiator's design reflects its adventurous spirit, featuring a bold 7-slot grille, removable doors, and a fold-down windshield. Available options include a premium folding soft top or a 3-piece removable hardtop, allowing drivers to customize their open-air experience. The truck bed, measuring 5.5 feet, is constructed from durable steel, providing ample space for cargo and equipped with an optional rear folding tonneau cover for added versatility. Interior features. Inside, the Gladiator offers a blend of functionality and comfort. Standard features include a Uconnect registered 4 system with a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay registered, and Android Auto trademark compatibility, ensuring seamless connectivity. The cabin is designed for practicality, with options for manual or automatic climate control and durable materials suited for both daily commutes and off-road adventures. Performance and capability. Under the hood, the Gladiator is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering 285 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. Drivers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic. The Gladiator's 4-wheel drive system, coupled with its robust suspension, ensures exceptional off-road capabilities. The Rubicon trim, in particular, features 33-inch all-terrain tires and an electronic sway bar disconnect for enhanced trail performance. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a priority in the Gladiator, which offers available features such as forward collision warning with active braking and adaptive cruise control. These systems provide drivers with added confidence, whether navigating city streets or tackling rugged terrains. Conclusion. The 2025 Jeep Gladiator stands as a versatile vehicle that caters to both adventure enthusiasts and those seeking everyday practicality. Its combination of classic Jeep design, modern technology, and robust performance makes it a compelling choice in the mid-size pickup truck segment. For a visual overview of the 2025 Jeep Gladiator, you might find the following video informative: the all-new 2025 Jeep Gladiator, ready for anything.